name's Leah too. What?
It's Francesca and Leo, okay?
Okay.
And today we have a ginormous egg surprise! Look how big it is!
Yay!
Hey, I have an idea. Let's compare it to a regular egg. So look how much bigger it is. Whoa, it's so much taller and bigger.
And it has surprises inside.
Hey, I want to check if this has any surprises in it, but first I just want to shake this huge egg. Whoa! Can't wait! Okay, so now let me check if this egg has any surprises in it. This egg is tough to open. Okay guys, I'll be right back. Alright guys, you check my hands. Are they dirty still or are they clean? Okay, I think they're clean enough. I just wanted to make sure that I don't have any slime left because I have some over here a little, but it's dried out, but it still has a little mark. That's okay. It was on my pants everywhere, like ew. And before we open this ginormous egg up, we are going to announce Magic Box's super duper awesome and loyal fan! Yay! But you gotta stay tuned to watch the end of the video because that's when we'll be announcing the super duper awesome and loyal fan! Yay! And that super duper awesome fan will be getting super duper amazing and surprises! And amazing surprises! Woo! Yay! Yay! And now, let's open this ginormous surprise egg up! Yay! Leah will go first. Wow! Heads, climb back! Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Okay, let's show it to the camera, okay? Super duper and season 3! Seriously. And I'll do that. Wow! Wow, okay. Who did you get? Okay, let's see who that is. I think this is... Okay, anyways, I don't know where that blind bag is, so if you know, you can let us know in the comment section. Yay! And I've got the Lion Guard blind bag.
I never opened these.
Yeah, collectible mini figures.
I hope you get the golden one.
Oh yeah, so there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 to collect, and one of them is a rare and golden Kion. Yay! I got Kion. Kind of looks like Simba, but not really.
Because he has black hair.
Hello everybody, my name is Kion. What's yours? Oh, okay, great.
And he's the hippo and Sia and skunk and bird is his friend and that hyena is the bad guy.
Oh, okay, so get your next surprise. Lion Guard. Yeah, you got another Lion Guard. This one looks big. I think it's the hippo.
Let me open it. It's the hippo!
Oh my goodness! His name is Betsy. Think so. Okay, my turn. Let's see. Ooh, I feel something hard in here. Ooh. Wow! This is a super surprise! has my name on it. There we go.
So, while she's opening it, I will check what surprise I will get.
Oh, okay. But don't open it yet, okay? Ooh!
Wow!
So this is season 4. Yay!
Wow!
Oh, cool. So, there we go. So this is Jiggly Jelly.
Whoa, jiggly, jiggly, hello.
And this is, who's this? So I figured out the name, Woolly Hat.
And now I can't open my flying bag.
Okay.
See who I get.
And in the meantime, I'll get
It's
out.
Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie. Pinkie Pie.
Oh, cool. Okay, put that together while I open up this awesome Simpson mystery stack pack. Ooh. This is so cool. Do you need help?
I think no.
Wait. Oh, okay, so you got it. Okay, now I'll open it. And just put the case on. I got 3, I think.
It's one of the mouses from Mickey Mouse. It's one of the talking mouses from Mickey
Ooh,
Mouse.
so this one came apart. See, I wonder who or what this is. Wait, strange and weird. Okay, anyways, let me do this other one. See, here is
Pinkie Pie.
this is, and this is like something for
Can you help me put
maybe
this in?
this little.
Can you help me put this chipmunk?
Oh yeah, sure. There we go. There's Pinkie Pie. Yay!
I think you put the mouse in here, in the hole.
Oh, okay, let me try that. Okay, never mind. Let's just go to our next surprise, okay? Yay! Leah, go. Let's see what your next surprise will be.
Lawn guard.
Yeah, another lion guard.
Well, I hope it's a
Nice.
cheetah. I hope it's a cheetah.
Whoa! This is so cool! Another, see, My Little Pony.
Seriously?
Something. Oh my goodness!
Another hippo.
Yeah, and this is, I figured out the name Bestie. Bestie. Oh, and if you didn't notice, there's like this little mark.
And it's got it from Kion.
So there is my blind bag. Let me see who I get.
Apple Dash.
Rainbow Dash! Yay! I really like Rainbow Dash, and I got her.
And I really love Apple Dash. I really love
There's
Apple Dash.
something. So here's my Rainbow Dash. She comes with a stand. Oh, and the thing I want to show you is that these have like this stuff left over, like holes and stuff. You snap it together, like kind of like this, and they can stand together. Isn't that cool? Pretty cool.
Like
huh?
Todd.
Yeah, there we go. Next surprise. Whoa, a McStuffins blind bag. And I have a Palace Pet Season 3.
Let me.
Okay, show it to the camera. Okay, yay! And I've got Sundrop.
Can you put it somewhere?
Yeah, and put it right here in front of everyone. Okay. Oh, you go. You got another Tsum Tsum mystery stack pack. Ooh, cool.
Yay!
Wait. Oh, okay. So this is how you do it. See? See? This is how you do it.
So here's my flying bag. We'll have to cut it. because it has no tier sets.
Who did you get?
Let's see. Oh, it's season 1. Do you think so? It's a cat.
The cat. Oh, so I know this one's name, Dale. So this is Dale, and you said you got the cat. This one, you got this cat. Okay, so her name is Mary.
So here's my Mary. She has a really pretty bed. It kind of looks like
My turn. Yay! Another chance to get a rare golden Kion. Yippee! You just have to be kidding me. You just have to. Oh my goodness, another bestie.
My turn.
That's so weird.
Stuck in the stuffers. Got McStuffins, mayonnaise.
Mayonnaise. Stuffins. Yeah, I would just say mayonnaise. I don't actually know what that means, but
Bumpy balloon.
this is Boppy, 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 Boppy,
Bumper.
Boppy.
Bampy.
Oh no! I fell apart! I popped! Okay, my turn.
Shopkins great.
Wait, I dropped it. Shopkins is a bar card!
Yay!
Wait, let's shake it. One surprise left! Ooh.
And I'm gonna open it.
Yep, I think there's 2 or 1. Okay?
Or 3.
So this is... Moe mushroom.
And the volley kicker.
And we also have...
Volley.
It's not the ball and kick. It's Dennis ball. Ew.
Okay, my turn. My
Shimmery.
turn. My turn. Yep, there's 1 surprise left.
I told you.
Yay.
Oh, there's 1 more left. Oh, yay. Okay. Shopkins crate. Okay. Wonder who you get. And in the meantime, I'm gonna get at the last surprise. Oh, it's rolling everywhere. I can't. Wait, stop. Stop rolling. Stop. Oh, gotcha. Little runaway egg surprise. This is what was running away from me and rolling and rolling. Oh my goodness. Yay. Oh. Okay. Yay.
Wow!
Okay. So cool. Cool. Yes. I thought that was a limited edition. Okay, who is that? Oh, cool. Like, let's see, bakery, I think. Bakery.
You got to be kidding.
Okay, another Dennis ball. Who is this? Oh, Betsy Buttercup. Yay! Another Betsy. This is our first Betsy Buttercup.
Oh, myself can throw off.
Ooh, yay! Okay, so there's another Dennis ball. Roll.
Can I see the new one that you got?
Wait. Oh my god, there has to be a mistake in the factory. There just has to. Like this is a Cindy bun, and there's no Cindy bun in this. There's no color Cindy bun in the bakery. There's 2 other Cindy buns, but not this color. There has to be something wrong. No, it's not a limited edition. Let me look all around the chocolates to see if there's another one for, no. This is so weird. Oh my gosh, so weird. Isn't that silly and cool? Okay, so
Okay, let me see on my checklist.
So this is Sharon's shoe. Yeah, Sharon's shoe.
Let me see. C is on my checklist.
Yay! Okay, let's double shake so we know if there's anything else. Nothing. I double shake it. More than double shake it. Well, crazy shake it! Alright guys, so that was so yay! And take a look at all of this cool surprises that we got from this giant surprise!
Lots of surprises!
Yeah, and have you guys noticed that these two, Pinkie Pie and Rainbow Dash, are pearl?
Yay!
And now it's time to announce our Magic Box Fan of the Month!
Yay!
And that super duper awesome and loyal fan is Alicia Noyola! Yay! And now let's see what she'll be getting. So she'll be getting a Shopkins Season 4 12-pack. And a Shopkins egg surprise. Yay!
Yay!
And a Shopkins Season 4 crate. Congratulations, Alicia! Yay! Congratulations! Congratulations! Yay!
Yay!
And if you want to become a super duper awesome and loyal fan, you have to watch our videos, put comments on it, like